In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Reddit. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into it without any further ado. Now the case with Reddit is it does not allow you to change your username once you've already set it. So the only case or the only situation that you'll be able to change your username is that if you recently created your Reddit account with your Google account or your Apple ID. If you created your Reddit account using an email address, it immediately asks to create your username. So once you created that username, you won't be able to change it again. Only in the case of you creating your account using Google or Apple ID, you'll be able to change your user account like I said. So you can open up the app, tap on your profile on the top right, and if you tap on my profile, it's gonna give you a section of creating a username. You can tap and create the username that you want, and once that username has been created, you won't be able to change it later on. So that is the thing with Reddit, where you once created your username, you won't be able to change it again. So that is the permanent username that you can have once you have created it. So that was a short and easy video on how to change your username on Reddit. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.